Find the mean and variance of first n natural numbers. Now, what are the natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 up to first n natural numbers? So, we'll be starting from 1 and we'll go till n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that up to n natural numbers. Now, what is the formula for mean? Mean is sum of all natural numbers, first n natural numbers, divided by how many of them? N of them. We know sum of all natural numbers is actually sigma xi I equals to 1 to n, and we know that is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So, what is sigma of xi I equals to 1 to n? What is the meaning of that? Is take I values starting from 1, increment them like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and you count all of them. That is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n, which is nothing but we know the formula n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by into n and n will cancel. So we get n plus 1 by 2. That means we understood that mean equals to n plus 1 by 2. So let's write down here. Mean is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. Now we got the value of mean. We need to calculate what is the value of variance. So let's go to variance now. So we'll write down first of all what is the definition of variance. Variance is equals to sigma of xi minus x bar whole square I equals to 1 to n divided by n. Now xi are nothing but here our natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and x bar is our mean, which we already calculated as n plus 1 by 2. Now let us expand this and see what happens. Sigma I equals to 1 to n. This is xi square plus x bar square minus 2 xi into x bar. Now let us separate them and see what happens. First one will be sigma I equals to 1 to n xi square. If you understand, this is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Then we have sigma I equals to 1 to n x bar square. X bar square is nothing but mean square, that is n plus 1 by 2 whole square, then minus 2 into sigma I equals to 1 to n xi and that multiplied with x bar, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now let us look at this. This is sum of squares of first n natural numbers and this is sum of first n natural numbers. And we know the formula for sigma xi is n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, we have the formula for sigma xi square, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Let us substitute that and see what happens now. So I will write down sigma I equals to 1 to n xi square, that is sum of squares of first n natural numbers, which is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus, now n plus 1 by 2 whole square is a constant and I equals to 1 to n means you have to add them every observation xi 1, 2, 3, 4, every time we have to add it. That means total how many times you will add n natural numbers, so you will be adding it for n times. So it will be n into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 minus 2 into n plus 1 by 2 multiply with what is sigma I equals to 1 to n xi, that is sum of first n natural numbers, that is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Now simplify this. So we will have n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus n into n plus 1 whole square by 4 minus 2 into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So when I simplify that, I can have here minus, and I can say that that is minus n into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. What I can take common now? You see, all of this we are not dividing by n, right? So this thing, whole thing, we have to do with 1 by n, because that we have missed there. 1 by n. Here also we'll have n here and n here. N and n will cancel. This n also will cancel. So left out, what we can take common here is n plus 1 by 2 I can take common. So I will write down n plus 1 by 2, and that we have 2n plus 1 by 3 minus n plus 1 by 2 is gone. We have one more n plus 1 by 2. Let us simplify this. When we simplify, we will have, that is n plus 1 by 2 into 2 into 2n plus 1, that is 4n plus 2, then minus 3 into n plus 1, that is minus 3n minus 3 divided by 6. Simplify this. This will be n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 12. N plus 1 into n minus 1 divided by 12, which is equals to n square minus 1 divided by 12. So the mean and variance of the first n natural numbers, the mean is given by n plus 1 by 2 and the variance is given by n square minus 1 divided by 12.